Today in our 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, we're going to be test fitting the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system. Consisting of part numbers RRVA 126B-2, these are the Aero Crossbars, 49 inches long and black. These also come in silver as part number RRVA 126S-2. We'll be using part number RRRLKVA, these are the 2500 series legs for the Vortex Aero Crossbars. And finally we'll be using part number DK289, and this is the custom fit kit from Rhino-Rack specifically for fixed mounting points. The Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system is great for carrying a wide variety of accessories on your roof while freeing up space inside your Outlander Sport. This can carry anything from bike racks to cargo baskets to cargo boxes. The bars themselves have an elliptical shape to them, and that coupled with the Vortex Aero strip at the top and the strip that you cut to length underneath, that's going to help cut down wind noise and drag while you drive. Now you will experience some noise, but not as much as you would say with square or round bars. This is equipped to use T-Track accessories. What you would do is remove the Vortex Aero strip, cut it to length, put your T-Track accessory in place, and replace the strip around it. Also, with our end cap, you can replace this with a lock core, which is sold separately, so you can secure T-Track accessories inside your bar. The end caps do come with locks already installed, so it's going to be secured to your roof once it is installed. And this utilizes the fixed mounting points on your actual Outlander Sport to put it in place, so there's no need for any measuring like you would say with regular clamp style roof rack systems. And it does come with padding to go around the areas where it will make contact with your vehicle. Now to give you a couple quick measurements, from the center of the roof to the bottom of the bar is going to be about 3 inches. From the center to the top is going to be about 4 3/8 inches. So that's more than enough space in between the bar and the roof itself for those accessories that wrap around the bar as opposed to going the T-Track accessories, and it's not going to make contact with your actual roof. And both bars combined have a carrying capacity of 165 pounds, but you always want to double check with your vehicle's manual to make sure your roof can withstand those weights and go by the smaller of those weights. Now that we've gone over some of the features of the roof rack system, let's go ahead and show you how it installs. We already have our front bar installed onto our fixed mounting points. We have our rear bar partially assembled on our table here. So our next step is we're going to take our 2500 series leg and attach it to the other side here. To make this a little bit easier on ourselves, we'll flip it upside down here, and then we'll take our removal tool here, unlock our end cap, and remove that. Then we'll take our 2500 series leg. This bracket at the top is going to slide into the channel here at the bottom. So we'll line that up. And once we have this pushed into our channel, normally our next step would be to take our strip here, cut it to length according to the instructions, put it in place, push this up against it, and tighten it down. But for demonstration purposes, we'll just measure it out with our handy dandy measuring tape. Then we can take our included blue handled tool, tighten down the bolt on our leg here, and then we can reinstall our end cap and secure it in place. Now from our fit kit, we'll take the rubber pad and the new bottom to our leg that we're going to replace with the old one here in a second. We'll push that into place like so and remove our old one and put that in its place. And we'll remove our screw up at the top here on the inside. That will be replaced with this part from the fit kit. This is going to be the bracket with the tightening screw for our stud that we're going to be putting in a little bit later. And that just slides in like so, and then we'll go to the back side. So we'll take our new backing plate here, and we'll take the screw with the flat washer and the lock washer, install that as well, and we'll take our included tightening tool and finish that off. So before we actually install our roof rack system onto our roof, we do need to do a little bit of prep work, and that's removing these plastic covers from our fixed mounting points. They have these arrows that face in the direction where they're supposed to push, and sometimes you might need something like just a regular flathead screwdriver to help get that started, like you see there. So once that's loose, you just lift it up and put it someplace safe, and then we can install our stud into the mounting point in the center here. Just turns in clockwise, and nice and tight, and now we can grab our roof rack system. We can now set our bar in place over the studs we just installed, like so. And we'll first tighten down the plastic piece here into our stud. Get it finger tight first, and then we'll use the included tool to do the rest. Once that's tightened down, we'll take a 10mm wrench and tighten down the set screw here to the bottom of this plate. We'll repeat this process on the driver's side. And then our final step is to take our end cap here, push that in place, lock it down, and now we're ready to load up our gear and hit that road. And there you have it for the Rhino Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack system on our 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport.